APG, Alpha Precision Group. Our Specialty Valve and Machine Products Division is located in Wyandotte, Michigan. For over 50 years, APG has been an industry leader in the design and manufacture of valves for a variety of applications in the automotive powertrain, HVAC, on-off highway, and consumer industrial markets. The professional experienced workforce at APG will design, develop, and manufacture specialized custom assembly and testing equipment to meet our customers' precise performance requirements. Our design and development capability, complete with test lab, allow us to deliver a wide range of valve sizes, mounting styles, cracking pressures, flow rates, and valve sealing options. APG offers a wide variety of metal-to-metal, elastomer, and plastic seal materials with a pressure range designed precisely to suit your applications. APG's operations are certified to the latest standards and serve as a foundation for our design and manufacturing approach. These standards are used to integrate concept, design, process development, and verification into the process. What can Alpha Precision Group do for you?